1 Minute Finnish Lesson 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Finnish from the Radiolingua Network.
We're here to teach you some Finnish 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Do you remember what this means?
Anteeksi, minä en ymmärrä.
It's, I'm sorry, I don't understand. What about this phrase?
Minä puhun vähän suomea.
This means that you speak a little Finnish, and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Finnish now. Today, we're going to learn how to say, I'm learning Finnish. You would say,
Minä opettelen suomea.
Now that may sound a little tricky. Petra, can you repeat the phrase more slowly, please?
Minä opettelen suomea.
Try it one more time.
Minä opettelen suomea.
If you were to say this to someone, you could add in the phrase,
Se on vähän vaikeaa.
Now this means it's quite difficult or it's a little difficult. Now we've come across that word vähän before. It means a little. We've already heard it in I speak a little Finnish. Minä puhun vähän suomea. I speak a little Finnish. So to say it's a little difficult, you can say,
Se on vähän vaikeaa.
listen to the word for difficult.
Vaikeaa.
Now try saying, it's a little difficult.
Se on vähän vaikeaa.
One more time.
Se on vähän vaikeaa.
Now we're going to try to put both these phrases together. Petra's going to say it slowly so that you can hear the whole phrase. I am learning Finnish. It's a little difficult.
Minä opettelen suomea. Se on vähän vaikeaa.
Listen one more time and Petra will slow it down even more.
Minä opettelen suomea. Se on vähän vaikeaa.
And one more time.
Minä opettelen suomea. Se on vähän vaikeaa. And that's the end of this lesson.
Hopefully you're not finding Finnish too difficult. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Finnish with this course enjoyable. In the meantime, thanks for listening and come back next time to learn more Finnish with Radiolingua.
Kiitos ja hei hei.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.